Hello everybody! Today we're gonna be playing Animal Hospital Anomaly, right? So, shut up. So today, a reason that we're playing this game is because we had a comment said that if we can make a video of this game. I'm sorry if I'm starting so bad. I just started so much, okay? Mikey, shut up. And also, we also want to tell you that we're gonna make other videos in IRL. Like we're gonna make fun videos, maybe sad videos, the truth videos, or a talk video.
This is the truth.
Or a Q&A video, you know.
The what? Okay, first question.
Shut up. Okay. So in this game, we're gonna have to be a surgeon. Surgeon and a doctor. Yeah. We're gonna make it to shift 4. Yeah, 4 shift for some reason. Because we're not trying to make this video too long. And yeah. And excuse me, you're giving some attitude right now. I don't like that. With the hurry up. Okay, fine. Shut up. What the? Okay, fine. So what do we do here? Cause Miguel played this game before. What do you do?
Camera. And then you gotta check the photo. There. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good.
Shut up.
You have to stop bullying me.
No. Rawr. Okay.
Rawr. A dinosaur.
Dinosaurio.
Dinosaur. Rawr.
Get away. Okay. So I'm just acting crazy because I don't know what to do. What are we supposed to do?
We have to be
Think.
doctors.
Think
like a doctor.
Think like a doctor. Okay. Think like a doctor. Go to
Come
room
over here,
2.
Mr. Patient. I'm going to lead you to your room.
Okay.
Get over here and hurry up. Hurry the...
Bro, he's a turtle. Why is he walking so slow?
Oh. I'm about to kill them if they don't. Okay, good.
Ouch. I'm sorry, sir.
I've been through worse. I don't care if it hurts.
Okay. Alright, also guys, we just dropped up a video called The Last Ride.
Jinx, double jinx, triple jinx, quadruple jinx. No, you can't talk. Anyways, we dropped the new video, The Last Ride. That video kind of blew up. So, make sure to check it out.
Yeah.
You talk! You broke the rule!
Shut up.
Okay, Jetty. There.
No. Miguel, Mikey. Okay. Oh, look. It's the doctor. Oh.
Wow.
Stop clapping.
No, I don't
Okay.
want to stop.
I said yeah.
No.
Te aguantas. Cochino! You're so disgusting. And also, guys, the last video he farted also, so he made another disgusting video.
Oh yeah, my friend told me that you made fun of me for farting, even though I didn't fart at all. I only fart 3 times a month.
Mikey, you know this is the 3rd month, right? For your fart. So are we still in shift 1 or shift 2?
Well, check.
Shift 1. Okay, never mind. Shift 2.
I ain't no cupcake. You can't even bake.
Cállate. I have an appointment. Of course you have an appointment. Why are you here then? Click it. Overrated. Jealousy. What?
I'm about to play Clash Royale on my other phone.
Cállate. Okay. You're gonna play what?
I'm about to play Clash Royale.
Huh?
Oh gosh. There's no audio. Let me restart it. Let's go.
What are you doing? Okay.
I'm playing Clash Royale.
Oh, and also, are their bodies supposed to be like invisible?
Next to the no. What do you mean?
Oh! Okay, Mikey, stop screaming. Oh my goodness.
What
And there's
is that?
another anomaly.
I'm gonna ask him. Why didn't I? Okay, you know what? I'm going to ask them to leave. Hello, sir. You need to leave. Whoa. Why are they staring at me, menacing me?
No. Why are you jumping on them? What are you trying to do? Go. I'm joking.
What?
Okay.
This is supposed to be a kid-friendly channel. They don't even know that.
Sorry.
Maybe if they're on TikTok, though.
Stop. Okay. That was an anomaly. Good thing we didn't give him anything. What do we do? Think. Do I just do this patient? I don't know.
Probably. Yes.
Probably yes, probably no, I don't know.
Maybe if you check the photo. I don't know.
Where are you? I'm trying to find you.
I'm with the patient.
What patient?
I'm in the patient room.
What patient room? Which one?
Don't ask.
Bruh.
I'm just doing random things.
You know what? Let me just close the door real quick. And yeah. Inspect. They look pretty normal to me.
Let me know. I can't find no
Okay.
dream. It's not the thing.
Okay, let me just do this and that. Oh, you're right there. I was looking for you. I got room 3. Yeah, we know. You don't need to announce it. Okay. Shut up.
But I like it.
I don't know if I said this in the beginning, but I said that we're only gonna make shifts of 4 shifts because we're not trying to make the video too long. And guys, in Miguel's POV, for him it will be really short for some reason.
It's because I ran the storage.
Yeah, sadly. Look, come over here. I'm jumping on him. Look, come over here. I'm jumping on him. I'm trying to kill him. I feel much better. How did you feel much better? I was literally jumping on you.
That's sad. Anyways, I'm gonna go get medicine for the other one.
Okay. Bro, they walk so slow. They're literally a turtle.
Exactly,
right? I know.
It's so obvious.
Okay, there's this patient that you already fixed. Oh, never mind. Okay, whatever. Is there another patient?
That one's definitely corrupted based on how much his head is twitching and his eyes. Look.
Ew. They look so weird.
Exactly.
I'm leaving. Well, guess what? I don't care. You're an anomaly, okay? And okay. And also, is their face supposed to be gray?
Yeah. What are you, racist?
Okay, it's because in my screen is gray. Okay, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but you guys see, okay? And also, their torso is invisible, but whatever. Okay, let me just print this out. Take it out. Give it to the patient. And you got room 3. Okay, that's nice. That's very nice of you, okay? That was very nice. Very nice.
Nom 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 nom.
Shut up.
What if I don't want to?
I said shut up.
But I said I don't want to.
Well, I said I do. Okay, so now shut up. Okay, whatever. So shut up, Mike.
It's not my fault we talk at the same time.
Well, true. We do talk at the same time, which makes him, not talk. But whatever. And also, guys, we are also planning to make other videos. It's just that we're not saying because it's a little secret.
You know what? I want to play Minecraft now.
Minecraft. Oh, okay, whatever. Maple syrup and bandages. Okay. Let me get something, okay? I haven't done anything. Let me do something, okay? Okay, whatever. Uh. Are they okay now?
Yeah, pretty much.
Wait, what?
No, I think so.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
Speak up.
I said, I think so.
Okay. Okay, not too loud, bruh. I think so, alright? Okay. And also, guys, we're in a call, so I don't know if you guys can hear Miguel. But if you guys can't hear him and you see his POV, you're gonna understand, okay? Yeah? Okay, thank you. Cállate.
No.
Okay, whatever. What the fuck? Okay, whatever. Let me just do this. Printed it out. Okay, someone already printed it out. Let me get it. What are you doing?
Minecraft.
I don't hear anything, but okay. That's not an anomaly, right? Right? I hope we haven't make a lot of anomalies and helping them.
Let me play Minecraft in peace.
No, you're playing anomaly.
I'm playing well, you know.
What the? Whatever. This should be relaxing for you guys, maybe.
I don't care.
Bruh.
You know what?
Man.
You know what? No.
Wait, Sybil just swore, so that means Kate really is
Pomni, really?
How could you? There's no. Congratulations, all of my friends.
Now our salvation has go to it.
Put on your Sunday best because we got no chance at winning. We play the game, try to ignore the fate, but all that remains is this destroyed domain. Cause you're stupid and you're past infinity, so now I'm running the show.
I like the song.
Yeah, we can tell, buddy. You're really the amazing Digital Circus fan. And apparently people say that he cried because Jax got abstracted.
Shh, nobody's supposed to know that.
It's fine. You're not the only one who cried. Someone else cried. Okay, so whatever. What are we doing?
But I know you won't.
No.
I don't like it.
Stop crying. Can you just help me do this patient, or is it already fixed? I don't know.
There we
Are you
go.
really still here watching that YouTube kid slop?
Oh, guys.
Man, I
really thought people would have better taste
He just
nowadays.
keeps putting a lot of
Maybe you
songs.
can waste your time doing something more mature, like taxes. But I know you won't. What's got you fuming, buddy? What's got you raging, dude? Did something piss you off? You better learn to cope soon. This place eats toast for breakfast. You'll need some thicker skin. Cause if you're angry now, imagine how you'll feel when you check your bedroom and it's crawling with snakes. When every step you take's a face full of rakes. When even seats are threatening a certain sound. Your entertainment, who even needs a clown?
Don't you have any other way of entertaining yourself that doesn't involve torturing people?
No. Get your chance to
Oh, and guys, if you see Miguel just standing there, and look like he's so cool, no, he's just just too busy dancing with the song that he's putting. Oh my goodness.
say I'm sorry, but it's not that kind of party.
Hey, 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 hey.
Wait, please give me a second. So let me get this straight. The mini jester thinks there's a solution to our fate. Wait, let's hear her out. Got nothing here but time. Just let us in on what will save us here. We miss a sign. You hear that, audience? You're in for a show. We're breaking numbers, but we're suffering though. And as you chuckle on your side of the screen, I think I'll join you
What
giving
the
a
heck?
meme. What is it? Are you crying from the chat to the side? Can't handle snide comments, looking to confide in Ragatha. Good luck with that to you. I'm giving gold to those misfortunate enough to end up in a circus from a rancid purchase of a headset. Just my luck had gone and cursed us. You wanna smile and ease your mind? Lighten up, so says my sign. Kane, I think your stupid boombox is busted. Get your jazz toy, get a little
Laugh, boy.
so you're not down to hollow. I won't let that get me down.
Help.
I'm your jazz toy, have a little
Help.
laugh, boy. I say I'm
Help.
sorry, but it's not that kind of party.
Just toy,
That's me.
just toy, just toy, just toy, just toy, just toy. Okay, whatever. Okay, well, he's finally not AFK anymore. I think he's
Jazz
too
toy,
busy.
get a little laugh, boy.
What are you
You're
doing?
not down to hollow. I
He's a
won't
boy,
let
you know
that
that.
get me down. I'm your
Oh my
jazz
God.
toy, have a
Guys, he's
little
even not
laugh,
even
boy.
responding
I
because
say
he's
I'm
too
sorry,
busy.
but it's
Okay,
not that kind of party.
Finally, guys, I'm sorry. It's because he was a little too busy of just dancing and singing from just that song. Okay. Oh my God, no, oh no, oh no. And there's another one. Let me help. What the heck? Bro, we just keep putting a lot of songs of just digital faces. I just love it, okay? Yeah, we should try.
Every day it starts the same. We're called into the 10th and came to take part in some silly game to keep our sanity. And though I know this world is strange, I won't allow myself to change. I try my best and work to save my own humanity.
Hey, from the comment side, we got a wild ride. Hey, look, your shoes untied.
Very funny, I'll pass on this adventure.
Are you sure?
Can't you see? Sky is fine. I will lose my mind. I know that you're dumb distractions. I know. Sky's fine. I will lose my
this is probably our last trip because it's about to be trip 4. Or actually, I don't know.
You okay? You're looking rough today. Well, that's what I say. Oh, sorry. I stare into the mirror and repeat till I believe I'm fine. I lose my mind. I don't need your dumb distractions. No, I should mine. I don't lose my mind. I don't need satisfaction. Distraction. Can't you see that we are your new family? We will keep you sane and strong. If you break, don't let it such shake. There's more that you can take, so please don't let me be wrong. Every day and every night it all turns out the same. So why waste time with friends when I can escape? I cannot sleep. I have a mouth, but I can scream loud enough to change the scenery inside of this machinery. A polygonal prison made of 1 and 0 digits, and I wonder if that's all I am. This form that I've been given for my mind is in a coma, and this nightmare will preserve it. Maybe this is all the time. Maybe somehow I deserve it. If I have to find inside my head, I don't know where to get to. That's why I'm like, fine. I won't lose my mind. I don't need your dumb distractions. I'm no abstraction.
Okay, we just did a surgery for this. What the?
What?
Okay, what the heck was that?
Absolutely nothing.
What?
Absolutely nothing.
That was absolutely so terrible. Okay, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay, I'm joking.
Isn't she lovely?
No.
Isn't she wonderful?
No.
It's fine.
Oh, look.
Whoa! Whoa!
I didn't realize. I was just too busy looking at Miguel, but the doctor came.
I will lose.
Uh-oh, I don't think we did a great job, Miguel, because it says that we fed a little bit too much of the anomalies.
That's cool.
That's not okay.
It's okay. I know the perfect song for this scenario.
Oh no, please don't tell me there's another song while you're playing. Because he's playing songs while he's playing for some reason.
Don't worry.
Ah! Shut up.
We have to count it. We got anomalies. Oh gosh. 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 We let anomalies. Shut up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. Oh gosh. Oh boy. Oh, we're getting attacked.
Guys, oh my, that mic is
I'm gonna have a panic attack. I don't know. Oh gosh.
I need
no.
help.
Why does there have to be a panic attack this early? Oh. Oh. Oh boy.
Oh, so dumb.
Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna be sick. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Oh,
Help.
oh no.
He's being too, Miguel is being too dramatic over something. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I'm gonna be sick. I'm gonna be
Stop
sick.
screaming.
No.
Yes.
Have a anomaly attack.
No, we're not.
I'm going to be sick.
Oh my god. Help.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to be sick.
Let's just help this patient, okay? Come on, walk.
boy. Oh boy, I'm gonna be sick. Ah!
Oh my!
I'm scared for my life. Oh gosh. Oh boy.
Help.
This is not a drill. This is not a drill. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye.